Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing Croc and confirming it runs. Do that now. Launch Croc on the sender with the file path, and on the receiver run Croc to accept. When you start sending, Croc prints a short, human-readable code. Write it down or copy it. Once the code appears, give it to the other device securely because Croc uses that code to pair the two endpoints. Make sure any firewall or NAT won't block the connection. Croc will attempt direct or relay fallback. Once you have the code, paste it into Croc on the receiving device and press Enter. You will see a secure handshake and then a progress bar that shows encryption, chunks, and throughput. If network conditions are poor, force the relay server with relay or retry. Croc will fall back automatically, but manual relay can help. You can add out to set a custom folder or yes to skip prompts. Keep an eye on transfer speed and file integrity messages as the transfer completes. When the transfer finishes, verify the file, check size and hash to ensure integrity. If something fails, regenerate a fresh code by rerunning Croc send. Codes expire and are single-use. If connection errors occur, inspect local firewalls, VPN, and time synchronization. Croc needs both endpoints reachable. As a quick fix, use Croc Relay to force the relay server, which bypasses direct peer-to-peer issues. Finally, rerun with
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.